Hey guys, this will be the chapter 1 review, and this is going to be, I guess, on the back portion or the second half of your exercises sheet. So essentially, we're just going to go through this review portion and do similarly to what we did in the lesson. We're just going to answer questions. So I'll just kind of put pen to paper here and answer these questions, and you guys can follow along and answer along and all that stuff. So below we list several variables. Which of these variables are quantitative or qualitative? And explain. I'm trying to get this pen to work. Oh, there we go. The dollar amount of accounts receivable, we're going to say that that is quantitative. The net profit of a company, quantitative. The stock exchange on which a company stock is traded, qualitative. The national debt of the U.S., quantitative. And advertising medium, qualitative. Great writing there. So quantitative because it's a dollar amount. Net profit, dollar amount, quantitative. Stock exchange, that's just going to be a name, so qualitative. National debt, quantitative, because it's going to be dollar value. And then an advertising medium is qualitative because it is just a quality and not associated with a number. Now, discuss the difference between cross-sectional data and time series data. If we record the total number of cars sold in 2012 by each of 10 salespeople, are the data cross-sectional or time series data? The one thing that I notice is it says sold in 2012. Okay, so that's 1 point of time. So that is going to be cross-sectional. And the reason for that is because we're looking at 1 point in time, not multiple years. If it was multiple years and we were going to get data on the salespeople over the course of multiple years, then it would be time series. And then the next question is, if we record the data, so I guess we'll call this A, and then B. If we record the data, if we record the total number of cars sold by a particular car salesperson in each of the years 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, are the data cross-sectional or time series? And that's going to be time series for the reasons we've explained. So, yeah, that's that. And then lastly, we're just going to do our nominal ordinal interval ratio, and just write that here. Course letter grade, that's nominal. Or no, ooh, goodness, that is not nominal. That is ordinal. This is nominal because either door is of equal value or we don't know the order or ranking of anything like that. And then classifications, we actually, I believe we may have done this already. Ordinal or something like it. To own a PC or not, so that's just nominal. A rating, a restaurant rating, that is going to be ordinal. It can't be interval because there's no zero, no defined zero. And then the income tax filing status, and so this is going to be nominal because there's no inherent order to this. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into the review. Let me know if you have questions. This review might have felt kind of pointless, like, hey Matt, why didn't you just write the answers down and post it? this kind of a review session, I think, is gonna become more and more useful and important as we get into material that's a lot more or a lot less rote memorization and a lot more analysis. So I just wanted to test this out so that you could get a feel for it. I haven't decided if I'm going to just be flat out posting like the answer key or the annotated version of this. I'll let you know my decision on that, or I'll just start posting it if I do decide to do that. But yeah, all right. Thanks so much, guys, for I guess tuning in, and yeah, on to chapter 2.